You probably watched one of those videos showing you how to get paid to watch YouTube videos, and some of these guys claim that you can make up to $20 per hour just by watching YouTube videos and using only free tools. So I decided to test one of these methods to see, can you really make money just by watching YouTube videos and using only free tools? And I will use exact method that they showed in their video, just so I can see, can I really make money just by watching YouTube videos? Okay, they say that first thing that you need to do, you need to go on YouTube and you need to find viral videos. Now, there are a few ways that you can use to find viral videos. Now, the way that I use is I actually install vidIQ, and when you go here on extensions, you can install a free Google Chrome extension, and you can then go back here on YouTube, and then you can click here and then click here on most viewed. And then I usually choose here views per hour, and then in past 7 days, and here you can see videos that are getting most views in past 7 days. Now, for some reason, this actually shows these videos here for some reason. Like I said, I don't understand why. So usually Mr. Beast has best videos because, well, it is a Mr. Beast, so he has millions and millions and millions of views. So here you can find really good videos, and he usually has a really good thumbnail and a really good title of the video. So for example, this one here, I paid a real assassin to try to kill me. Now that is a catchy title and a good video. So what you need to do, they say that you actually need to open this video, so just pause this, and you need to copy the link to this YouTube video. And then what you need to do, you need to go on a website called YouTube Thumbnail Grabber, and you need to paste that link here, and you need to press enter, and then you need to download this thumbnail here. As you can see, this is the thumbnail. You need to click here to download this thumbnail to your desktop. Now, so far, this actually doesn't look like getting paid to watch YouTube videos. This more looks like a getting paid to share YouTube videos. So far, this looks like a misleading title, okay? But let's continue. So next thing you need to do, they say you need to go on Canva and you need to register for a free account. That is exactly what I did. Then you need to go here on custom size, and then here you need to choose 1000 with 1500 pixels, and you need to create a post. So you need to upload that thumbnail that you downloaded from YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. You need to upload it here, and this is the thumbnail. So I actually need to make this wider just to make it fit to my template. And I will change the background color. So let's just say, for example, I will click here and let me just choose one of these colors. Let's just say, for example, blue. I will choose blue. And then here I need to give it a title. I will actually move this like this, okay? I need to say something, so I can say something like this. Actually, first thing I need to do, I need to click here on this T to choose a text style. So let me just choose one of these text styles. Okay, let's just choose this one here. I will just choose this one, and here I will say something like this, and I will actually make this to be much smaller. Let's just say, for example, 24. Now that is too small, but doesn't matter. I will actually make this to be larger, something like this, okay? And I will actually move this here and make this to be a bit larger, something like this, okay? And here you can see I actually modified the title of this video. When you go back here on YouTube, here you can see the title of this video, and I slightly modified the title of that video, as you can see here. And then here I will actually go here on elements, and then I will choose this one here, and I'm going to actually make it wider, something like this, and I'm going to change the color to be, let's just say, for example, to be red, okay? And then here I will choose again text, and I will choose one of these. Let's just say, for example, I will use this one here. I don't need this. I will delete that. I don't need this either. And then I'm actually going to move this here, and here I can say something like, for example, viral video. Viral video, okay? Just to make this even more eye-catchy, even more clickbaity, okay? Like I said, this looks like a video sharing method, not a video watching method, okay? And I will actually change the color of this letter to be white. So I will click here and I will choose white letters. And I'm actually going to make this to be a bit larger, and I'm going to make this to be on center, something like this. So what you need to do next, you need to click here on share, and you need to click here on download. Click here on download PNG, and you will download this to your desktop. So according to them, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Pinterest and you need to make a pin. So just click here on create and then click here on create new. And here you need to upload the image that you created in Canva. So I will just click here and I will find that image. This is the image. And then here I need to add a title. Now title, and I will find that image. This is the image. And then here I need to add a title. Now title should be related to this and should also be a clickbait. So I can say something like similar. Now for the purpose of this video, I will just use same text. Okay, and I actually forgot one L. Apologize for that. And then here you need to add a description. Now for this purpose, I am going to add a same description. So like I said, you will add a better description. Now next thing you need to do, you need to add a link. Like I said, this looks like getting paid to share YouTube videos, not getting paid to watch YouTube videos. So you need to add a link. So according to them, they used this website here, shrinkme.io. And when you go here on payment proof, here you can see this is the page they use as a proof that people are actually getting paid to use this website to share these YouTube videos, okay? And also when you go here on payout rates, here you can see how much money you can earn per 1,000 views for each of these countries here. So first thing you need to do, you need to register. Registration is simple and it is free. After that, you will come to your dashboard. As you can see, I created a new account and here you can see these are all zeros, because this is a new account. Next thing you need to do, you need to click here on settings and then you need to click here on profile, and here you need to add some basic informations, and here you can see payment options. Now I got question from many people asking me, is this method worldwide? Well, as you can see here, according to this paying processor, this is worldwide. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go back here on YouTube and we need to copy link to this Mr. Beast video. Control C, and I need to go back here on shrinkme.io and I need to shrink this link. Just click here on new shorten link and I need to paste that link here and click here on shorten, give it a second, and this is my shorten link. So I need to simply copy this link and I need to go back here on Pinterest and I need to add that link here. And all you have to do now is just click here on publish and that's it. Now I have to say, I already don't like this method because Pinterest doesn't like this kind of stuff. Pinterest doesn't like shorten URLs that are actually paying other people because they are mostly full of spam ads. So if you share one of these posts, it can easily happen that Pinterest will ban your account. But nevertheless, I'm going to publish this so I can test this method, okay? And the next thing they say, you actually need to go back here on YouTube and you need to find more viral videos and you need to download more thumbnails, you need to create more images in Canva, and you need to upload pins every day on Pinterest, and in that way you will start getting traffic. But like I said, you will actually get paid per 1,000 views for 1,000 people that you send to this video, not to watch this video, but you will actually get paid to send people to watch this video. So let me actually test this. So I will click on this link. So let me just click here, and here you can see it actually take me here. So click here to continue. Okay, when I click here, let me just see where it will take me. And it's actually taking me to some ads. So let's just click here on close and let me just scroll here. And here you can see I need to confirm that I'm not robot. So let me just click here. And again, it takes me to another ad. I will click here again. And let me just scroll here, more ads, close this ad, click here to continue. And again, it takes me to another ad. So ad after ad. So you will so basically these people, and it's full of viruses. So basically these people will never actually watch this Mr. Beast video because they will be sent from one ad to another ad. So this is already misleading and it is already look like spam. So I wouldn't use this method. So basically what this method is, these guys here from shrinkme.io, they are using you to send traffic to their website, and they are making lots of money from these ads here, and they share a small percentage of their profit with you. And like I said, you will do a dirty job. You will send people by misleading them to watch this video, Mr. Beast video, but they will actually only watch all these ads. So does this method work? Well, actually it does work, but you will need to send thousands and thousands and thousands of visits. And can you make $20 per hour? Well, actually you cannot. I mean, you can, but you will need, like I said, to send tens of thousands of people on this ad here, on this link, in order to make $20 per hour. Is this misleading? Is this spamming? It is misleading. It is spamming. It is misleading, it is spamming. You will basically spam these people that you are sending from Pinterest, and your Pinterest account will most likely be banned. So I wouldn't recommend this method to get paid to watch YouTube videos. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.